Okay. You're probably wondering how the hell I got here. Well, I was successful in getting a free 1 month Tinder Gold subscription, and this is how I got here, guys. But yeah, anyway, let's go back in time and show you guys how I managed to get my free Tinder Gold, and it's super easy. Yo guys, okay, so this is how to get free Tinder Gold in 2024, and this works for iOS and Android. You can see I'm using an iPhone, so go to this website on your phone, www.wavycoupons.com. So you got to go to wavycoupons.com, guys. This website here, you can recognize it by the logo, and you can see there is a search bar at the top of the page here. Search for Tinder. You can also see it in the most popular ones. Oops, I pressed the wrong page. But yeah, go to the Tinder page, and you can choose between 1 month gold and 1 month free Tinder Plus or Platinum. So you just have to select the code you want. Obviously, the gold is the most popular, so that's what I'm going to be choosing. So tap on show coupon, and you can see you need to unlock your personal code. This is a Tinder promo code that's going to credit you a 1 month free Tinder Gold, and you can see we need to unlock it, guys. This is completely normal. This obviously just prevents someone from stealing all of the available codes. So tap unlock code. Now I've already got gold, so I'm not going to run through the entire steps, but yeah, basically guys, you just need to follow through the instructions when the page loads up. Once you've unlocked your code, it takes around 5 minutes to get your code, but it's well worth it. Obviously this is going to save you a bunch of money, so let's have a quick check how much Tinder Gold actually costs. So let's search that. So yeah, 1 month. I mean, it's not going to make you a millionaire, is it, guys? It's around $10 for 1 month Tinder Gold. But hey, every little helps. And I think 5 minutes of your time for a 1 month gold membership is pretty worth it. So yeah, go ahead. You can also get platinum as well if you want. I'm not sure how much platinum costs. Let's just search that as well. Platinum. How much is Tinder Platinum? So it's around $20 US, it looks like. So yeah, you can save some money. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, guys. Go ahead and get your Tinder promo codes from wavycoupons.com. And yeah, let me know, guys, if you found this video useful, and I'll see you next time.